Good morning, kids! How are you today? How are you, Miss Sarah?
Fine, thank you. And how are you today, Edu?
Today, we're going to do a new science experiment. Are you excited,
kids? Let's begin. What do we have here today, Miss Jo?
So we have here the materials. We have hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, warm water, and 1 tablespoon of yeast. Are you ready to start?
I'm ready.
Are you ready, kids? Great! Okay, now we are going to put the hydrogen peroxide in our cylinder. Can you help me, Miss Sarah?
Of course. All right, there's our first one.
Okay, thank you.
And
the other one?
Our second one is done.
Thank you, Miss Sarah. Now we will be putting our dish soap.
All right. And there it goes.
Wow.
And there it goes again.
Next, we will be putting color with our 1 beaker. Can we put that one? What color is that?
I think this is blue.
Blue. Very good.
All right.
Can we put one blue in one cylinder? Okay. Thank you. Now we will be mixing the 1 tablespoon of yeast and 3 tablespoons of warm water. So let's put it like this. Can you help me mix with this one?
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, it's starting to come together.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to keep stirring.
Yes.
Now, what happens if I get this yeast on my hands? It feels a little bit warm.
Yeah, it's warm. So be careful, kids, with this. And you need an adult or you need mom and dad beside you when you're doing this experiment, okay? Okay, so I think we're ready. Are you ready to see what will happen, kids? Great, okay? Now watch.
Wow!
Can you see that?
Yes.
Can you see that, Edu? Okay, next we have the other cylinder.
Wow!
Wow! What colors do you see, kids? We have
Blue.
blue.
And?
The other one, we don't.
White.
We have white because we didn't put colors. Okay. Did you know what will happen?
I don't know what will happen.
Okay. So, we know that hydrogen peroxide is made up of water and oxygen. And our yeast is a catalyst. It means it removes the oxygen into the hydrogen peroxide and makes bubbles with our dish soap. So that's what happened. Okay? Make sure that you do not touch the foam because it has exothermic reaction. Okay, kids? Great!
Did you have fun today, kids? Great job!
Thank you for joining us and I hope to see you again next time.
Bye!